Within words, sort 39 has the hard and soft C and the hard and soft G. A hard C has a K sound at the beginning of the word. A soft C has an S sound at the beginning of the word. A hard G has a G, G sound at the beginning of the word, and a soft G has a J, J sound at the beginning of the word. So let's begin sorting our words. Let's start with the word calf. Calf is a baby cow, and it is going to be sorted in the hard C column. The next word is cease. Cease means to stop. It starts with a S sound at the beginning of the word, so it is a soft C word. The next word is game. Game has the G sound at the beginning of the word, which is a hard G word. Gym has a J sound at the beginning of the word, and it is a soft G word. A gem is like a valuable stone, like a ring. Cart. There is a cart that I'm putting my shopping stuff in. Cart has the hard C at the beginning of the word. The next word is cell. Our body is made up a whole bunch of these cells. Cell starts with an S sound, and so it is a soft C word. Golf. I love to play golf on the weekends when it's nice. Golf has a G sound at the beginning of the word, and so it's a hard G word. Germ. There are a lot of germs right now, which is why everybody is getting sick. Germ has a J sound at the beginning of the word, so it is a soft G word. The next word is coat. Everybody needs to wear their coat to school during the winter. Coat is a hard C word. Cent. There are 100 of these in $1. Cent. Starts with the S sound, so it's a soft C word. Goose is an animal that floats on a pond. Goose has a G sound at the beginning of the word, which is a hard G. Gist. Gist is like if you say, I got the gist, meaning you've got whatever you're needing to understand. Gist starts with a J sound, and so it's a soft G. The next word is code. Code starts with a hard K or a hard C sound at the beginning because it has the K sound. The next word is guess. Guess is a G sound at the beginning, so it's a hard G word. Gym. This is the place that you go to work out and do fitness. The gym starts with a J sound at the beginning, so it's a soft G word. Corn. I love corn as a vegetable. Has a K sound at the beginning, so it's a hard C word. The next word is cub. A cub is a baby bear. Cub has this K sound, so it's a hard C word. Guest. If you have someone stay with you, they are your guest. Guest has a G sound, a G sound, which is a hard G word. And the last word is guide. If you guide someone, you give them instructions. It has a G, G sound at the beginning, so it is a hard G word. Good luck on your test.